Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we're gonna be fixing the issues that have been introduced with Xcode Beta 6. So once again, the Xcode is Xcode 12 Beta 6, and there are some API changes that we are gonna address. Uh, if you open your widget, you're gonna run into these issues. And all you need to do for static configuration, the placeholder is gone, so it's no longer there. So let's go ahead and remove that and create and build so we can see where else the error is. So let's go ahead and remove placeholder from everywhere, and all right, generic content. Okay, so let's go ahead and build again. Okay, and there you go. Timeline provider has, so there are changes to the name, and placeholder has been moved into timeline provider. So for that, all we need to do is take whatever we have in the snapshot and put it in get snapshot function as well as in placeholder, and return the entry like so. And for the timeline is changed to get timeline, and move your type alias at the top. And then let's remove these unused functions and do the same thing for the other widget. Okay, so simply use snapshot and placeholder as same functions, so you can actually even take them out, take that logic out, and if it's like too of a complex logic, then take it out into another function and return from there. In our case, it's rather simple, so that's why I just pasted that in there. Anyways, so that should actually fix all the issues there are with the current widget. And let's go ahead and build and install. And that's okay. Let's go ahead and add a new widget. So we're gonna look for multiple widget, and there we go. So we have our widgets working for different variations. So let's go ahead and add widget. So now let me while we are actually at it, let me add one more. That's gonna be the quotes widget, and then I'm going to show you the stack that you can create, because we have like 3 different variations. That's an ugly color. Okay, so let's say if you have like too many of these small widgets, what you can do is you can combine them by dragging them on the top of each other. So for example, this is how we can create a smart stack, and for example, this one and this one can go together. So let's move these out on the same page, and come on. Okay, let's take it back. I think I want to take it to, yeah, that's actually perfect. Okay, simple. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove this because I want to show you how the stacks work. So I'm going to add from the expense. We don't have okay, so let's add this widget, and let's add the weather widget onto the screen. And what we can do is we can create a stack for these. Okay, so as you can see, our smart stack is ready, and you can cycle through all your small widgets, and you can cycle through all your medium size, and same goes for the large size. The thing is, all your widgets have to be like whoever is gonna go in the stack. At this point, they have to be of the same family type, so you can cycle them through. Okay, So yeah, so this is how you actually fix your widget issues that have been introduced in Xcode 12. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching.